Loneliness comes not just from being physically separated from people, but also from feeling alienated from the people who surround us. What we long for are bridges that connect us to other people and that allow us to build community. The English Catholic historian Christopher Dawson has written, in The Crisis of Western Education, about how Europe in the early modern period was held together by classical learning. Europe was founded on the twin pillars of Christian faith and classical learning, and when Christianity was ruptured during the Reformation, Europe likely would not have survived as a unified entity had it not been for the liberal arts, which continued to hold Europe together. At Our Lady Seat of Wisdom College, our solid foundation in Catholicism is what first keeps us united. But liberal arts studies also help us tremendously in bridging the gaps between people, of which there are so many, even within the Church. As the society around us becomes more and more fragmented, the study of history, philosophy, literature, and other liberal arts subjects helps us learn to open up to other perspectives than our own, and to engage with them in a thoughtful, fruitful, and meaningful dialogue. This helps us, professors and students alike, to overcome the loneliness that stems from locking ourselves into our own little world, from which we barricade others of differing viewpoints. Come and join the conversation at the Wojtyla Institute conference this August.